Hey everyone, welcome to another explainer. So picture this, you're right at the finish line, ready to buy something online, and boom, your stomach just drops when the checkout page asks for your main debit card. I mean, we've all been there, right? Handing over the literal keys to your primary bank account to some random server, it feels like a massive gamble. Well, today we're looking at a super modern, highly secure financial service that completely fixes this problem. And as you'll see, we'll be highlighting a pretty awesome platform called CardUpNow to show you exactly how it works. I mean, don't you want an easy way to shop online without dragging your actual bank card into the mix? Maybe you're terrified of data breaches, which, fair enough, or maybe you just don't have a traditional account set up yet. Look, the friction and the sheer anxiety of online checkouts, it's totally real. You absolutely shouldn't have to put your entire life savings on the line just to grab a $5 digital item or, sign up for a new subscription. It really doesn't have to be this stressful. Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First up, the online payment struggle. Second, meet the virtual visa. Third, why make the switch? Fourth, where and how to spend. And finally, get yours at CardUpNow. All right, part one, the online payment struggle. So think about the old way. You're stuck filling out all this invasive paperwork. You're waiting, 7 to 10 business days just for a piece of physical plastic. And the worst part, it's linked directly to your actual bank account. Now let's flip that and compare it to the new virtual way. We are talking instant email delivery. Plus, it has a fixed balance, which means you literally cannot get drained by some hidden subscription trap or a hacker. It provides high security because your main bank account stays completely disconnected. The merchant literally never sees it. Moving right along to Section 2, meet the virtual visa. So, what actually is this thing? Well, a Visa virtual reward card is basically a prepaid digital visa that gets delivered instantly straight to your email inbox. It gives you the power to handle your online spending securely, all without linking a bank account or, get this, undergoing a credit check. No physical plastic to accidentally lose, no waiting in line at some bank branch. It's just instant, secure purchasing power right at your fingertips. And when you actually order one, what pops up in your email? Exactly what you need and absolutely nothing you don't. You get the standard 16-digit card number, the CVV security code, and the expiry date. It acts perfectly like a physical card, dropping right into your inbox, fully ready for you to literally copy and paste into the checkout page. Seriously, no typos, no hassle. Boom, done. Which brings us to Section 3. Why make the switch? So, who's actually using this kind of tech? Well, it's a real game changer for a lot of folks. If you're a student, you can buy digital tools, textbooks, or software effortlessly without needing a bank. For freelancers, it's all about global access, paying for international software subscriptions without those annoying banking fees blocking your transaction. Travelers absolutely love it for booking flights and hotels on foreign sites, mostly because you don't have to worry about your local bank suddenly freezing your card for suspected fraud while you're trying to book a room. And gamers? For sure, it's all about that instant delivery for game top-ups so you can get right back to playing without skipping a beat. All right, Section 4. Where and how to spend. I promise you, the process is ridiculously straightforward. Step 1, buy the card online. Step 2, check your email for those details we just talked about. Step 3, head over to your preferred online store. Step 4, choose Visa as your payment option. Step 5, enter the card info. And Step 6, confirm your payment. I mean, that is literally it. If you've ever bought anything on the internet, you already know exactly how to use this. Now, just to be completely transparent with you guys, there are a few important rules you got to keep in mind. First off, this is for online use only. So no, you can't tap your phone at a physical coffee shop or grocery store with this. Second, it has a fixed balance, meaning it cannot be reloaded. Once it's gone, it's gone. Third, it's usually not accepted on ad platforms like, say, Facebook or Google Ads. And finally, depending on where you buy it, you might actually need your region settings or a VPN set to the USA. Just good stuff to know, so you're fully prepared to spend without any annoying hiccups. And finally, Section 5. Get yours at CardUpNow. Look, if you're looking for a top-tier financial service to actually solve all these payment headaches, I highly, highly recommend checking out CardNow. You just visit cardnow.com and you can grab an instant, super secure virtual card. The absolute best part, no bank account required and absolutely no KYC. That means you completely bypass all that tedious identity verification paperwork. It is just pure, secure, global spending power delivered to you in seconds. So I'm going to leave you with this question. Are you ready to actually experience the freedom of quick, secure digital payments? Honestly, it's really time to stop stressing about online fraud and handing over your main financial details to literally every website you visit. Take back control of your privacy today, and definitely remember to visit CardUpNow.com to get started in seconds. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer. Stay secure and happy shopping.